1. Shower or bathe frequently. Dirty, greasy hair and stinky, sweaty skin won't help you look or feel naturally beautiful. Make sure you shower or bathe on a regular basis, such as every day or every other day. Wash your body and face to remove dirt, sweat, oil, and body odor. Shampoo and condition your hair as well, using products formulated specifically for your hair type. You don't have to wash your hair every single day, you can simply rinse it and skip the shampoo every other time you shower to help preserve your hair's natural oils. Don't forget to apply deodorant after showering. 2. Cleanse your face daily. It's important to wash your face every day to remove dirt and oil, even if you don't take a shower. Remember to choose a cleanser formulated for your skin type. If you have oily skin, choose an oil-free face wash. For acne-prone skin, look for a product with salicylic acid. If you have dry skin, use a cream cleanser to add some moisture. For combination skin, try a gel cleanser. 3. Moisturize your skin. Applying moisturizer after your shower will help keep your skin supple, soft, and glowing. Choose a lotion formulated for your skin type, and avoid using anything with heavy perfumes or harsh chemicals, which can dry out your skin. Look for products with humectants like glycerin, occlusives such as lanolin, and emollients like lauric acid. 4. Brush and floss your teeth every day. A bright, white smile is sure to help you look beautiful. You should brush your teeth at least twice a day, and floss once per day. Doing so will keep your teeth and gums healthy. Aim to brush for 2 minutes each time. You can also use mouthwash to kill germs and freshen your breath. To whiten your teeth, opt for a whitening toothpaste or use whitening strips. 5. Exfoliate and moisturize your hands and feet. Ragged cuticles or rough, flaky heels can be easily fixed to help you look and feel more naturally beautiful. One option is to get regular manicures and pedicures in a salon. If you'd rather take care of your nails at home, trim and file them regularly to keep them short and smooth. Exfoliate your hands and feet to remove dead, dry skin, then apply a moisturizer after drying them off. You can also do at-home paraffin wax treatments on your hands or feet for smooth, hydrated skin. 6. Apply sunscreen before going outside. The best thing you can do for your skin is to protect it from the sun. Wear sunscreen with UV protection and an SPF of at least 30 whenever you plan to be outdoors. Sunscreen can prevent wrinkles as well as sun damage that could lead to cancer. You can also wear light-colored, lightweight clothing outdoors and a wide-brimmed hat with sunglasses. 7. Use lip balm to keep your lips soft and smooth. Dry, cracked lips are painful and unsightly. Keep your lips soft and smooth with the regular use of lip balm. Choose one that has sunscreen in it to protect your lips. It's a good idea to buy several of your favorite kinds so you can stash them in places like your purse or pocket, your car, and your office. Check out the link description below.